Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change formats in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are. And from here, what we're gonna do basically is first, let's import our clip. So first one is we're gonna go for a portrait one. So let's go and drag it right here. And as you can see, it would automatically adjust to the frame of your first clip right here. So of your first video clip, it would automatically be set to whatever the frame size or the ratio of that is. So in this one, we have first imported this frame size and this ratio, so it would automatically be like this. So even if I import some landscape videos like this, it won't adjust anymore because this is the first one that we have imported. But if you don't want to do that and you want to manually set the size, then you can click here on ratio, and then from here you have a lot of presets right here on the sizes of videos. So you have the landscape presets and the portrait presets right here. You can select 9:6. You can go for 4:3 and so on, or you can even customize your own right here by clicking on customize, and then you can manually modify everything right here, even the color space right here. So if you're using an iPhone footage, then you can go for it right here. And then your ratio, your resolution, your everything and so on, your frame rate, and yeah, your import material and free layer and so on, and even the performance. If you want to use proxy, this is where you do it. So yeah, that is basically how you do it on CapCut PC. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.